Hello, this screencast is designed to walk you through the steps for meeting the level 1 and 2 criteria for the current indicator we are working on, rights, duties, and responsibilities. So from Classroom, please go to Classwork. You're going to see rights, duties, and responsibilities level 1 and 2. Formative. When you open it up, you'll see a document that looks like this. Student goals so that you can list the rights of Americans under the amendments of the Constitution, list the duties and responsibilities of a United States citizen, and then explain the ways that the rights lead to civic duties and responsibilities. List the rights found in the Constitution and link them to specific civic duties. So step 1 is to just fill in this chart with the rights and the duties and the responsibilities of U.S. citizens. That should be pretty easy because we went over it in class, and you have a copy of it also back in classwork, which is right here, the rights, duties, and responsibilities brainstorm document. You can pull from that and just essentially copy the rights, duties, and responsibilities from this document and place it in this document. I'll open this up to refresh your memory. You were asked to list rights, duties, and responsibilities here, and you're simply going to copy and paste them into this chart here. The next step is to describe the relationship. Explain the relationship between one right and one duty, and then do it again, between one right and another duty, and between another right and another duty. You're doing it 3 times and explaining it. Here's an example. If you take the right of free speech, the duty of paying taxes. An example. You pay your taxes in order to have a government function that secures your free speech. So that would be an example of a connection between this right and this particular duty. And you would write it down here. But then you have to do another right and another duty. You have to do it 3 times. Same thing with responsibility. If, for instance, you take our rights to assembly and the responsibility of voting, you can make a connection saying that your responsibility to vote will again help to secure your right as a citizen to assemble. And oftentimes, citizens will assemble to discuss issues such as referendum questions that are being voted on. So there's a connection between assembly and responsibility there. So again, you want to do it 3 times. One right and one duty here, another right and another duty here, another right and another duty here, and then do it 3 times for responsibility as well. A right and a responsibility, a right and a responsibility, and a right and a responsibility. It should be easier once the chart is actually populated with the list for you to get a sense of what you need to do. That's it for now. Please email me if you have any questions.